Hello everyone, how are you now? I hope that everyone stay healthy everywhere. Let me introduce myself. My name is Teresia Magdalena. I am a student of Mathematics Education at State University of Medan. In this occasion, I will start my presentation for International Journal ISTIL 2020. The title is Difficult Analysis of Mathematics Communication in Problem-Based Learning. Abstract: the study aims to look a student's mathematical communication skill in problem-based learning, describe the process of student answer in solving mathematical communication problems, and to determine the difficulties of mathematical communication of student in problem-based learning. The result on the study on mathematical communication skill with high-level interpretation on the writing indicators are 97% on the drawing indicator at 19.6% and on the mathematical expression indicator at 87.5%. In the moderate interpretation, the writing indicator is 73.2%, the drawing indicator is 73.2%, and the mathematical expression indicator is 66.5%. In the low interpretation, 44.4%, the drawing indicator is 40%, and the mathematical expression indicator is 39.4%. The level of mathematical communication skill of student with low ability of 33.3%, intense student, medium ability of 46.7 student is 14 student, and high ability of 20% is 6 students. The background: one important aspect in learning mathematics is to improve mathematical communication ability, but in fact, this time in the communication ability of students in mathematics learning is low and needs to be improved based on research results. In teaching learning activities, communication skills are needed in achieving learning objectives. One of them is in learning mathematics. Therefore, mathematical communication skills play an important role in helping students build relationships between abstract language and mathematical language symbols that need to be developed early. Recognizing the importance of mathematical communication, the teacher strives to learn by applying learning models that can provide opportunities and encourage students to practice mathematical communication. Problem-based learning is the interaction between stimulus and response, a relationship between two of learning and the environment. By using this problem-based learning model, is it hoped that goals are achieved, students can develop student mathematical communication skill, can learn with authentic roles, and can become independent learner. See the difficult experience by students based on mathematical objects. According to Beagle, there are 4 kinds of mathematical objects named fake, concept, operation, and pre-simple. The method: this research is quality 5 described study that aims to describe the difficulty of student mathematical communication skill in solving mathematical communication problem. The subject in this study used Professor's sampling technique, that is sampling with the aim to focus research on the subject so that the data obtained can be deeper and more accurate. The subject of this study were students of Medan grade 8 parallel, namely 2 high ability students, 2 moderate capable students, and 2 low ability students. The mechanism is used. There are 3 stages, namely the stage 1, the stage of preparation of learning tools and research instruments, 2, the validation on and testing stage of learning tools and research instruments, 3, the state of research implementation and the result of data analysis. The result of the study on mathematical communication skill with high-level interpretation on the writing indicator are 97% on the drawing indicator at 90.6% and on the mathematical expression indicator at 87.5%. In the moderate interpretation, the writing indicator is 73.2%, the drawing indicator is 73.2%, and the mathematical expression 66.5%. In the low interpretation, the writing indicator is 44.4%, the drawing indicator is 40%, and the mathematical expression indicator is 39.4%. Based on the result of 30 student mathematical communication skill test, the level of student mathematical communication ability is obtained in 3 levels. Of the 30 students, turn out that the level of mathematical communication skill in medium capable student has the highest proportion and is followed in very low ability student. So the level of mathematical communication ability of student with low ability of 33.3% is 10 student, medium ability of 46.7 student is 14 student, and high ability 20% is 6 student. The selected subject. Conclusion. Based on the result and discussion, we can conclude that there are difficult in solving problem to variable linear equation system. Difficult is answering problem because students don't know the method of solving two variable linear equation system. Difficulty in operation, difficult in principle that is not able to model problems into mathematics, and student understanding in an is question is still low. So according to the result of the analysis that has been done shows the average mathematical communication skill are still relative moderate. Therefore, teachers should be able to only provide stimulus question about mathematical communication skill to improve mathematical communication skill. Okay, I think this is the end of my presentation. Thank you so much for everyone, and thank you.